Apple fried rice with shredded pork. Hi guys, it's Youcook here. Welcome to my channel. We heard about pineapple fried rice, salmon fried rice, Chinese sausage fried rice. Today I'm making apple fried rice with shredded pork. I'm not using Chinese sausage, I'm not using salmon, but I'm using shredded pork. If you're interested in learning how to make this simple and quick recipe, stay with me. We're going to cook together right now. Let's go. With just a few ingredients, you can wrap up this delicious fried rice quickly. 1 3/4 cup of chopped apples, 2 tablespoons of salted butter, 3 cups of leftover rice, 2 tablespoons of chopped green onion, and half chopped white onion, plus 3 eggs. For those of you who just joined my channel, if you like this recipe and find it very useful, please like, share, and subscribe. This is a very easy recipe. I don't even need to explain it. You can just watch my video and it will do the job. The most important thing about preparing a very nice fried rice is to make sure your rice is dry. If your rice is wet, it's going to look like sticky rice, fried rice, and it doesn't look very nice, doesn't look very presentable. I'm using salted butter instead of regular cooking oil because I know salted butter goes really well with apples, with garlic, and onion. So as long as you know these 3 ingredients or 4 ingredients go really well together, you know you can make this dish. First things first, add in salted butter, then add in your apples, stir fry it, and add in chopped onion first because onion takes a while to cook. If you add garlic in, you may burn your garlic by the time you add the onion in. So always add onion first and then garlic later. There is another fried rice recipe that only use ginger and eggs to fry rice. Now if you want to know or want me to prepare that recipe, let me know. That's even easier. You don't use any garlic or onion, just pure ginger, fried rice, and eggs. And then add salt and a bit of sugar, depending on your taste, and there you have a new dish of fried rice. Add in eggs, and then add in rice, and then add in a tablespoon of soy sauce. Stir fry it quickly to incorporate all the ingredients into the fried rice. This is a very quick dish to clean up your refrigerator or to finish your leftover rice, and it's a quick way to prepare your lunch. I'm using frozen corn, 1/2 cup of frozen whole corn. The reason I'm using the frozen one because it does not add liquid or any type of moisture into my fried rice. Also added in 1/2 tablespoon of roasted sesame seeds. Add in 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Notice I did not add in any sugar for this recipe. It's because the corn itself is already sweet, and so is the apple. And that's it for this recipe. I told you it's very simple and quick, very easy to prepare. You probably want to know where's the meat, right? Well, just be patient. Eggs are usually thought of as vegetarian since they are not technically animal flesh. Then again, it really depends on each vegetarian. Here is the dry shredded pork. You can actually buy it on Amazon.com. You can also pick it up from any Asian market. Top over your fried rice with shredded pork, and there, apple fried rice with shredded pork is ready for you. So if you have leftover rice, leave it in the freezer and use it to prepare this recipe. Don't waste food. Thank you so much for your time and support. If you enjoy watching this video so far, please click the buttons below, like, share, and subscribe. Until then, I'll see you again on my next video. Have a great weekend. Bye now.